The story is of year 2018 when singer come actor Misha Shafi put forth her allegations regarding sexual harassment against a renowned Pakistani singer Ali Zafar. In response to that, Ali Zafar chose to file a defamation case in the sessional court and had asked for compensation for up to 1 billion Pakistani rupees. Now, keeping in consideration the fact that Misha Shafi had claimed that Ali Zafar tried to assault her sexually on more than one occasion. Then the subsequent defamation filing of Ali Zafar in a sessional court, which brought up or which prompted a judgment from the session court recently in March, where they had said that the defamation case filed by Ali Zafar is very much valid, and at the same time, Misha Shafi's allegations regarding Ali Zafar are for her own public good, which means that the entire case went in the favor of Ali Zafar, and now Misha Shafi not only is going to be held accountable for this defamation allegations, but at the same time she is also barred from repeating such allegations against Ali Zafar. And more importantly, in response to the compensation amount that Ali Zafar put forth in the form of 1 billion rupees from Misha Shafi, the court had directed Misha Shafi to pay 5 million rupees immediately in cash to Ali Zafar. In response to this judgment of the sessional court, Misha Shafi, along with her counsel, plead in Lahore High Court, which prompted another judgment from Lahore High Court. Saqib Jalani, who is the counsel of Misha Shafi, had put forth a request that the amount of compensation shall be eradicated only to one third, and Misha Shafi shall not be barred to repeat these such allegations. At the same time, Lahore High Court's justice, that was comprised of two members bench, had explicitly stated that Misha Shafi has to pay 5 million rupees in compensation. But upon further request from the counsel of Misha Shafi, the justices of Lahore High Court had said that there is only one leniency that Lahore High Court or the court proceedings can ensure right now, and which is in the form that only 2.5 million rupees shall be paid immediately in cash to Ali Zafar, and the remaining 2.5 million shall be in the form of surety bond, which needs to be submitted with the Lahore High Court and needs to be paid later to Ali Zafar. This new development in the form of Lahore High Court's judgment was also notified to the counsel of Mr. Ali Zafar, and two decisions were made very much certain in this Lahore High Court judgment. Number one, that Misha Shafi from now on will be barred to repeat such allegations against Ali Zafar, and number two, that she will pay full compensation in the form of 5 million Pakistani rupees. 2.5 million rupees immediately in cash, and the remaining 2.5 million rupees once it is transacted from the surety bond that is submitted with the Lahore High Court under Misha Shafi's name.